So we'll be finding those for a few days.
Yeah.
We'll just be walking, or someone will be barefoot. And you'll step on it and be like, pop! Be like, oh!
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Do it. Say, hey guys.
Hi guys.
Who are you?
I'm Ben
From?
from Virginia.
Hey guys, Brian and Aaron and Tara and Brooke and Ben from 5 to Go. Happy Vlogmas. This is day 11. 11. We are almost to you. Maybe tomorrow's all about you. Oh. No.
No.
Okay, so we are doing a taste test. We went to every place we could find nearby and bought everything that looked Christmassy. There's some stuff here that's kind of normal, but it all has a Christmas slant to it. So we are going to go through everything here on the table, and we are all going to vote. 2 thumbs up, 1 up, 1 down, or 2 down. And then at the end, we'll see which one of these were our favorite.
Oh my goodness.
And which ones that we recommend you guys try. Aaron is choosing what we have and in what order.
Yes. First we need to pass out our plates.
No.
Okay. Let's start with
Kit Kat.
Gingerbread Kitkats.
Gingerbread Kitkats.
Well, you might have to do the thing behind it.
I cannot.
Just trust us. They're gingerbread Kitkats.
All right.
Ooh, you're fast, Bennett.
Ben, this is like a this is gonna be Brooke's favorite night.
How old is it?
Because Brooke is like the countdown queen. She won't do anything
Without
a 3, 2, 1 countdown. So if I can ever get this open.
There we go.
Good lord.
We're all ready. Brooke, are you ready?
No.
Okay, open your
Oh,
zipper.
it got real fragrant in here.
Woo! Smells like
Okay, so
a candle.
3, 2, 1, try it. Are you good? You ready?
Hold on, she's almost ready.
I'll do the countdown.
Oh, Brookie's the countdown girl.
Alrighty, sit up, sweet girl, so we can see you.
Ben, sit back a little bit so we can see Brooke.
3, 2, 1.
Not awful. Even though my face shot otherwise. Sure don't like it. Wow. Alright, we got 5 up, 5 down. Right?
Oh,
Yeah, 5 up, 5 down. I'm gonna finish mine.
okay. You can finish yours. Alrighty, let's go with something fruity next.
Fruity.
These are Mike and Ike Merry Mix, and it's lime, cherry, and
Oh.
holiday punch.
I think I've tried one of those before.
Alright, so should we just try the holiday punch?
Yeah, let's just try holiday
Because
punch.
lime and cherry, I mean, it's Mike and Ike's.
We'll eat the lime and cherry off.
Most people have probably tried Mike and Ike's.
Diddy, they can see part of Cindy.
Oh yeah, we've got an elf watching over us. Alright, so
She's
the
like,
dark green.
Oh,
Ooh,
there's
I
not.
want
Not a lot of them?
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy gets the most.
No, I'm
No,
just
these
trying
are-
to get the holiday
I want
punch
to
one.
make
This is the
Don't eat it
holiday
yet.
flavor. Hey,
Don't
Ben,
eat it yet.
I need you to sit down so we can see Brookie, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna
Hold on.
do the countdown again.
Yep, do
Okay,
the
we all
countdown.
ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Yeah, these are good.
Yeah?
They're just so
Ooh.
good.
Oh, good.
That's delicious.
That is 10 thumbs up.
Everybody like that one? Me
Yeah.
too.
It tastes
Yum.
good. I just don't like the texture that much because it's
Yeah.
like a jelly bean.
Mike and Ike's are very chewy.
Alright, we're putting the lime and cherry in there. Good
I'm not
job,
even-
Mike and Ike.
I'm not even sure how to describe
This
that.
is a mock.
Good. Yeah, it's like a strawberry punch almost. Not a like cherry punch. I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Alrighty. Let's stay
Ready to-
fruity
Okay.
and let's do fruit and yogurt snowballs.
Ooh.
Welch's.
I'm pretty sure these are just, yeah, fruit gummies with yogurt.
This,
Oh, these look awful.
Whoa.
1, 2,
Strawberry flavored
I think
snowballs.
I've
whoop, 3,
I think I've seen
4,
these at
5. All right, is everybody ready?
3, 2, 1.
Are you crying?
It's because I coughed.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sit down, buddy. We can't see Brookie.
I can't taste it. It's stuck to my teeth.
These taste like childhood.
I like them.
It tastes like you like yogurt covered raisins.
Ben, we
Strawberry
gotta vote.
instead.
They taste like yogurt covered like.
Oh, do you like them?
It tastes like yogurt.
All right, so that is 7. 7 thumbs up.
Mmm.
Not bad.
Okay, not too bad.
Why didn't you like them, Brooke? Just weird texture?
Yeah.
No,
Didn't like flavor?
I didn't like
Alrighty.
I didn't like
So
the
did
red
you like the
stuff.
flavor but not the texture? That's why you were this way?
I did.
Gotcha.
Let's stay with the snowball theme.
Hi, Vector. We don't have any treats for Vector.
And these are
Mommy.
white chocolate
Mommy.
pretzel snowball M&Ms.
Mommy,
What,
next,
sweetie?
can we do that one?
Yes.
Please.
Alrighty.
So delicious.
Give us some snowballs.
Mommy.
Alrighty.
Ben,
Ben, sit down.
can't see Brookie.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Ah.
Mm-mm. They turn. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
yeah, they evolved.
pretzel was
They
good,
evolved.
but then
Ben, what do you got?
Ugh.
Alright, that is 3 thumbs up.
Ew. No, thank
yeah,
you.
that was, it would have been more.
It's yummy.
Poor choice. Poor choice.
No good.
I
Hey,
think
Ben,
it's
Ben.
something mean to you.
Sit back. Good.
Sit back.
Okay,
and
Rudolph the
relax.
Red-Nosed Reindeer like Chex Mix or
So this
snack
is
mix.
Palmer, who makes a bunch of stuff. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, officially licensed product. Snack mix. It has peanut butter filled shapes, pretzels, and peanuts.
You may have had Palmer at
Can I
Easter.
see? Can I see the front? I want
That's what, yeah, it's got the bunny in
Daddy,
there.
can I see the front?
Alright, so we need one of
Hi,
each
Vector.
thing. We
Rudolph.
all ready? All 3, everything in at one time, okay?
Ready?
Hey, Ben, sit down. Thank you.
Sit down.
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Whoa. With chocolate.
I haven't even tasted
It
mine.
tastes like Easter.
I don't like the chocolate. The pretzel's good though.
I've had better.
Okay,
I've had
Right.
better. Oh, whoa.
That's
1,
good.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thumbs up.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say definitely middle of the pack.
That is good.
Alright, let's go to
Yay.
Ooh.
Sour Punch Santa straws.
Oh no. Yes, I love straws. I love Santa.
Sour punch.
I love strawberries.
All right, both at the same time.
Give us a countdown.
Ben,
3,
Sit down.
sit down.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, they're sour.
Those are good.
Woo!
Ooh, after the chocolate. Woo.
Enthusiastic. I would do 3 thumbs up if I could. What do you got, Ben?
Okay,
Ooh.
I picked 3, so thumbs up.
All right,
I'm
so
a
1, 2,
robot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
2,
8. 8 thumbs up. Wait,
8.
did
no.
you change your vote?
It's 9.
9?
I know.
Okay, 9 thumbs up. Our family
Nice.
loves sour gummy things.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I want the pink
I'm running
one.
out of
I want the
space.
pink.
We'll stay with the sour. And this is Sour Bright Reindeer Poop.
Reindeer poop! Reindeer poop!
It's true.
Ben,
Sit down.
sit down.
Ooh.
Blue. We have one of each color, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Ben, we've got yellow, red, blue, green,
Green,
orange. Ben,
Sit down.
sit down.
Ricky,
3,
countdown.
2, 1.
Oh, it tastes like poo! No, it's fucking pretty good. Orange, huh? Mine tastes like those little orange slices.
It tastes like
Mine
the
tastes
same
like lime.
thing. It tastes like the same thing. It tastes like the worm.
Those are delicious.
Yeah, these are really good.
Oh,
I love trolley things though.
mine has like sweetness.
You have some sweetness
It's
and some sour?
Probably lemon, yeah.
Mine tastes like watermelon.
Ben, are you voting?
You voting?
Mine
Big
is
fan.
10
watermelon.
thumbs up.
Reindeer
Mine-
Poops, winner.
mine-
10
Mine
thumbs
is-
up. I knew rainbear poop, rain bear. I think rain bear poop would be a very different product.
Alrighty, we're
Uh-oh.
gonna try a drink.
Uh-oh.
I'll just try.
Well, I'll just try a little bit. The children
So-
do not like fizzy drinks.
It smells like a Christmas store.
It's a terrible color.
Mommy,
It
just
looks like
Oh, it smells awful!
it looks like milk soda.
Bennett,
Okay.
sit down.
Okay.
Brooke, give us a count.
3, 2, 1. I'm just gonna look at it.
It's not as bad as it smells.
I licked it.
Oh,
I tasted it. But
I just did it with my tongue.
Come on, vote.
I don't know. 0.
2 thumbs down.
2 thumbs down.
0.
It's 2 thumbs down.
Alrighty, so it got 1 thumb up.
1 thumb up. 1 out of 10.
So now that we have the
The gingerbread.
gingerbread flavor in our
Flavor.
faces, we'll try the gingerbread. Whoa.
Excuse you.
We'll try the gingerbread Oreos.
I know none of these are focusing. I'm so sorry.
Maybe you'll just put a picture up of them.
I have to cover like everybody's face. The camera goes for faces, so it is what it is.
They got little gingerbread houses
wait,
on
is
them.
it peppermint on the inside?
No. Oh.
Yes.
Nice little gingerbread.
It looks like it might be peppermint on the inside.
Cream with crunchy sugar crystals.
So it's just red.
Gingerbread
Crunchy
flavored
sugar.
cookie with cream with crunchy sugar crystals.
Okay, so it's not, shouldn't be peppermint,
not
it's
minty.
just crunchy. We ready?
3, 2, 1.
I'm eating a whole entire Yankee Candle right now.
Ooh, that's good.
It does taste like a Yankee Candle smell.
I like it.
I like it. Good.
Alright, we got 7 thumbs up.
Okay.
We're sticking with Oreo.
Yeah. Snowball Oreos. They're cream-filled candy with cookie pieces.
Hey Ben, can you get me a knife, please?
Maybe.
Actually, I don't think we have any knives.
I don't think we have any knives.
Our silverware's all dirty.
Oh.
Okay, we're back. We thought Ben had moved the camera, but I don't think he did very much.
Not too much.
So these are Oreo Snowballs. That's what the
They
label
just
looks
bumped
like.
in there.
They come in a little, like...
Yeah, they're
thing
cute.
that
They're very
opens.
pretty.
Is there ice cream inside?
There's not. There's
It's like
cream
Oreo,
inside.
Oreo flavored cream on the inside.
3, 2, 1.
I'm good.
Daddy, we might need paper towels.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, 2 thumbs up from Tara, 2 from Ben.
We're good.
Brookie?
Really?
Yeah.
You know
Yeah,
what?
I'm with you.
Can you
So we
get
got
some
4
water
thumbs
for
up.
me?
Bennett?
Okay, so this is, I don't remember where we got this.
Probably Walmart.
Maybe. It's caramel flavored apple cider.
Oh, I didn't hold it up.
It's caramel flavored apple cider.
It's apple cider. We're having too much. Hey, Ben. Sit down. Yeah, we're having this cold and not hot.
Correct.
Okay,
Count us
Brookie?
down.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
It tastes like apple juice.
It's very
It
caramelly.
doesn't. It's very caramelly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was okay, but I couldn't drink very much of it.
So that's disgusting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thumbs up. Very, yeah.
It's very, very sweet and
It's
not
too-
very spicy.
It's too caramel.
Alright, let's do the Pop Rocks.
Oh no, no!
Yes.
You just
All right,
gonna
we got.
put them in your
Okay,
nose.
shh. We've got candy cane flavored Pop Rocks.
Woo!
Oh. Oh.
Let me smell. Here you go.
Everybody
Oh.
smell. Let them smell.
Wow.
Let them smell.
my
Let me
God.
smell. Let me smell.
It smells like Pop Rocks.
Oh.
Okay, count us down, girlfriend. Ben, sit back.
Sit down.
3, 2, 1. I didn't get a lot. It's good.
Oh, good.
It popped!
Okay.
It popped!
Oh. These are very vigorous.
Oh my god,
Okay.
the flavor is awful. Ben, what's your vote?
Oh, he's getting them everywhere. Please go wash your hands. Okay, we're back after the Pop Rocks
Episode.
nearly took us out.
Yeah,
Wow.
Pop Rocks are bad.
Those were terrible.
Tara likes them.
Some.
Terrible. They're all over the floor now. 'Cause
Yep.
Ben had them stuck to his hand and then just went like this. So we'll be finding those for a few days.
Yeah.
We'll just be walking, or someone will be barefoot. And you'll step
It'll be
on it and be
me.
like, pop! Be like, oh!
Alrighty, Brookie's been asking to do these. I don't think that the children have ever had a cherry cordial.
I hate cordials.
What are cordials?
Oh, so the Pop Rocks, it was 10 thumbs down, right?
No, Tara liked them.
What? So there was.
So 2 thumbs up for the Pop Rocks. Because Tara's a weirdo.
I give it a thumbs down.
Yeah. Is that it?
It smells so good.
All right.
Okay. 3,
Oh, right.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
I'm gonna destroy this. It's disgusting. Oh, look at it. Oh.
No!
I need
Can I borrow some people's thumbs?
Oh.
What?
Here, I hate it so much.
No!
Turn it, put one down.
It's disgusting.
Terrible. Oh, what do we got here? Trader Joe's Sugar Plum Sparkling Beverage.
Yeah, we're not having it.
Plum and white grape juice.
It looks festive.
It does.
Give me. It smells weird.
All right.
Smells weird. Hold on, hold on.
Mommy, that smells weird.
Oh, it does smell weird. Ricky, count us down. Ben.
What do you want?
Sit down. Brooke, count us down.
3, 2, 1.
It tastes good. I just don't like the fizzy.
No.
I like the flavor, but I don't like the fizzy.
Wow, 2 thumbs up. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Sorry, Trader Joe's. Or Trader Joe.
And then these are just snowflake marshmallows from the Target.
Mommy, whenever you
Okay,
want me to
I think I know exactly what these are going to taste like.
Oh, I think they're gonna taste like marshmallows.
3, 2, 1. This tastes like a marshmallow.
It's like a marshmallow.
They really don't taste like anything. I'm going to go 1 up, 1 down.
Yeah.
Because they would be like really pretty floating in cocoa or
Cocoa.
something, but they really don't have much flavor. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 thumbs up.
These are Chex Mix Muddy Buddies, peanut
This-
butter and chocolate.
These are 2 thumbs up already.
Oh, you haven't even tried them.
I don't need to.
I'm not.
I already know.
3, 2, 1. I think it would taste like honeycomb if I know what honeycomb is.
That's not what honey.
Ben, go.
Just like popcorn.
A little bit.
I'm gonna eat all of them.
Yes, you are. Yeah.
Those were delicious.
10
Wonderful.
thumbs up. No surprise there.
I would eat all of those. Is this our last thing?
It's our last thing, thankfully. Good lord.
I don't want it.
This was a lot of stuff. All right, it's Trader Joe's Candy Cane JoJo's.
It's mint. I don't want it. It's mint. Okay, go.
Woo! Okay, so the kids are not eating them because they don't like candy cane.
They don't like them.
These were already open. Have they already tried them?
I had already tried them.
Okay.
Ben had already tried them.
This is not a legitimate test.
Sorry.
They aren't
I
even
know how I'm
trying.
gonna
and
vote.
You already know how.
We need to go because the
Apparently,
battery's going.
only my vote counts.
I didn't do the countdown.
Sorry.
Oh, I like those.
Oh, good.
It's almost like a grasshopper.
That's delicious.
Here's the smartest one.
Not tasting.
Yes, I bet your tummy feels fine. Oh wait, you've got a pillow, and a blanket, and a couch, and oh, you got a pillow for your tushy? The children have left us.
Yes, they were done.
Surprised they hung on that long.
Yeah.
Good thing saving those for the last though.
Yes.
Those are super strong. They did taste like grasshoppers though.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
good.
Yeah. So good job, Trader Joe's for that one, but not good job for the sugar plum thing.
It's a pretty bottle.
It is. So thanks for coming along with our little taste test here.
Yeah.
We've been collecting these things for a couple weeks now, and I am glad that most of them are gone.
Yes. And some of them we will continue to eat for the next couple days.
Maybe. We'll see. That was a lot. Yeah. So, day 11. Done.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah. If you guys have any questions, we're going to do a Q&A episode soon. So if you have any questions about anything,
Whoa.
let us know. Just put a question down in the comments, and I won't answer them in the comments, but we will answer them in a video.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So if you want to just write question for video or something like that, we'll answer it in the video.
There you go.
Sound good?
Yes.
I don't know what day it'll be, but it'll be during Vlogmas, so just keep watching.
Yes.
Right?
Is it just questions about Christmas or questions about anything?
Anything. It's getting a little warm in here. We turned off the AC so you guys would have nice audio.
That's true.
Gotta get that AC back on, because we
Alright.
are in Florida. It is humid right now.
Yes, it is.
So, thank you
See you
guys
guys
for
tomorrow.
watching. See you tomorrow.
Bye.